Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone S20 Pro with magic flowing cloud design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with BOEQ10 AMOLED micro quad curved display, 6.67 inches, 1.5K punch hole, atomic island display, resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 92.89% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 460 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, 5000 nits peak brightness, and with Diamond Shield double-resistant drop and scratch glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50-megapixel 23mm Sony IMX921 sensor main camera with aperture 1.88 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50-megapixel 85mm Sony IMX882 sensor 3x. Optical zoom periscope telephoto camera with aperture 2.55 and support optical image stabilization. And with 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.05 and ring LED flash. 4. Selfies. It has 50-megapixel 22mm centered punch hole at the center on top of the screen front facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 4K on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Origin OS 5 screen on top of the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.4 GHz single-core Cortex-X4 plus 2.85 GHz tri-core Cortex-X4 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A720 powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, 4nm chipset, paired with Immortalis G720MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12GB, 16GB of LPDDR5. LPDDR5X RAM, with 12GB, 16GB of extended RAM, and 256GB, 512GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.56 by 75.02 by 7.43, 7.45, 7.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 193, 193.4, 194.3 grams, and the color options Phoenix Feather Gold, Black, Purple colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery with 90-watt flash fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP64 dust and water resistant, infrared remote control support, and with full featured NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo S20 Pro has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 3,399 Chinese yuan, while 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 3,799 Chinese yuan, while 16GB plus 512GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo S20 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.